Bula, this is Ravina from Professionals Real Estate at Port Denarau. Today I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, including 1 master bedroom at Fantasy Island. So this property is located in Nuku Circle and it's beautifully designed, well-equipped kitchen. Comes fully furnished with all the pots and pans as well. And as we walk through the kitchen, you can see there's a large fridge. And this is a massive walk-in pantry that I have seen actually. It's a lot of storage space for us women to store our things in the kitchen, so it's out of sight. And this living area is a open plan living which extends outdoor as well to your outdoor deck and nice entertainment area by the pool. So your kitchen and dining is all combined, so when you are cooking and entertaining with your guests, you can all interact together and keep in touch. And if you have got kids, you can keep an eye on them while they're doing their homework or while they're around in the living area. So let's go and check out some of the bedrooms. We go through the hallway. This is one of the bedrooms here. Spacious bedroom with a large drawer facility as well. So walking out, and nice, spacious, I would say, spacious shower, toilet, storage space and vanity. Walking out to the next bedroom, and this bedroom is facing the pool. It doesn't give you entrance or entry point to the pool from this bedroom, but you do have that available from your master bedroom. So nice big bedroom, and again you have got large wall side cupboard. Now these 2 bedrooms that you have seen, I believe that they will be sharing the common toilet and shower which is between them. And walking out towards the lounge area now. Look at how breezy it is outside. Look at that curtain swing in and out. It's beautiful weather out here today, nice and sunny, surrounded by some nice palm trees and garden. So this is your master bedroom as we walk in through here. This property is fully aircon. Going towards the master bedroom bathroom, you have the luxury of having a private bath, a separate shower and a toilet as well. Very spacious bathroom, enough storage space for all your products. So this master bedroom opens out into an outdoor balcony, and you also get the access to this balcony from your living area as well. Some outdoor furniture, and look at that view. Isn't that amazing? Nice big pool. You also have a private jetty. I'll take you outside for another view at it, but just look at that. Nice blue sky. Spacious property. So there is the apartment that you have seen just now. There is 4 apartments like this on this property. There's 2 at the bottom, 2 on the top, and this is available for sale with us at the moment. So this could be a dream for any investor who wants to come and reside in Fiji, live in one of the apartments and live 3 out for your monthly long-term rental lease. Now you do have a provision of doing short-term rentals from Fantasy, so that could open a few doors for you. So if you think this is what you would like to see more of, or you want to find more information about this property, then get in touch with me. My name is Ravina. I work for Professional FIJI Real Estate. We're based at Port Denarau. My phone number is 8636315. You can also visit us on our website, which is professionalsfiji.com.fj. Thank you very much for watching. Vanaka.